When some people try to update the Intel graphics on their computers, they may get the minimum requirements error. This error can happen if you add an external GPU and your system doesn't know which graphics card to use. All Intel processors have built-in display adapters, so if you try to add a new graphics card, the computer may show you this error to tell you that you need to turn off the built-in one, also called an integrated graphics card. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who might have the same issues so that we can help them too. Once you're done, then let's begin. First, try using the Intel driver and support assistant. Most users don't know what kind of Intel HD graphics card they have. Download and run the official Intel driver and support assistant to find out about your computer's built-in graphics without having to dig through the confusing settings. You can get the software from the official Intel website. Once you've downloaded and installed this app, it will scan your system and give you a list of information, including what kind of Intel graphics your computer has. If there is an update for your Intel graphics driver, you will also see a blue button that says Update Available. This will let you download and install the hardware driver. Next, install the Intel HD graphics driver. You can also check your GPU yourself and download the Intel graphics driver from Intel's official website. How to do it? Check your Windows OS version. Go to Control Panel. Then, System and Security. System. Go to the official Intel Download Center, select from a list of products and download your drivers based on your Windows OS version. You can also use the Device Manager to update your graphics drivers by hand. Here's how. Press the Windows key or Start button on your keyboard. Type Device and open Device Manager. In Device Manager window, select the Display Adapters category to show the list of graphics cards in the system. If you don't have a discrete GPU, only the integrated graphics card will be displayed here. Right-click on your GPU and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for your computer to search for available updates. Install the updates if they're available. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.